So here we are, really excited because today is the last day of the Karmann. So well, it's been a long time putting all the coverings, because we're gonna make the last adjustments of paint and final coating. So we're gonna add varnish on top of the varnish, because as I mentioned before, the customer touched a little bit of the body while he was assembling, and under our contract was saying that I want to give another clear coat on top of what we did, so the car is going to be totally amazing. So here we are, varnish ready, and let's go inside. See you inside. So let's go. As always, really excited when we are inside our cabin. Everything is ready. As you may know, it has a little bit of scratches in some of the places. We already give the little bit of color that was missing, and now is the moment of enjoy what we did, enjoy all these shapes. As I said in the previous videos, and well, you know that I like Porsche shapes, and well, this Karmann has also really nice curves, shapes that when you are varnishing, all the varnish goes on top of these curves and shines, and well, I cannot describe how I feel it because I really love it. So yeah, let's start. Let's give the first layer of coat. We have also fitted the soft top that you will see, and you have seen the process during. And yeah, a lot of stuff going in this car since he went out for fitting all the mechanics. And let's start. If you have arrived here, please give us a like and subscribe. Bye. Para ti. Bueno, finalmente ya lo tenemos. ¿Eh? ¿Tenías tú de estos en tu época o no? ¿Se veía muchos?
No.
Porque esto era más de Alemania y así, ¿o?
Sí. Estos coches vinieron muy pocos aquí a España, este tipo de coche. Había alguno, pero era de la zona Alemania y países del este y eso. Vale, éntralo dentro, ¿no?
Bueno, nada, yo quería que saliese mi padre porque es un orgullo poder trabajar con él y estar haciendo lo que hacemos. Y nada, continuamos.